ready for winter.
Yeah, we out in the snow.
Yeah.
We out in the snow.
Goosing up.
Goosing up, gang.
Hugging up.
50 say with the lie.
Hugging up. Some people have Uggs, others have stigmati.
Other people wey no get Uggs. They go they see so circle. Make we go they play for the snow. Oh yeah, let's go.
Let's go and play.
Catch me.
She's falling though. Hey! Hey! Angels!
Snow!
Let it snow.
Oh,
I feel like we go come back when it snow.
you cannot try this when you know they wear Uggs.
Nope.
You go shrink if you know they wear Goose.
This is a winter jacket, not a winter jacket. Not a winter jacket. Arise, oh yo.
Hey.
Give them.
Yeah.
Give them. Please be careful.
Hey. Hey. Yes, it's me.
Yeah. Come on, say Sister Yo-Yo.
Woo.
Reporting live from the rooftop.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ta-da!
So, I better show the shoe. This is what happens when you don't buy Uggs. Are you seeing this shoe? It's about to open on me. But the thing is, the Uggs now. Yeah?
As we're seeing the Uggs now, see you. I'm going to need a shoemaker. A shoemaker.
Soon it shall open.
This is a shoe. Uggs is a shoe. The Uggs is a shoe. This is a shoe. Now, the reason I've not bought my Uggs yet is because the style I want is now in Australia. It's only in Australia website. So I'm gonna need a Common Sense Squad member in Australia to help me get them Ugg styles, because the ones in Canada is only one style, and I don't want this style. I don't want the black of it. Yeah, so I want the is it not the Adirondack?
I don't know. You will probably put up the picture there.
I put on the picture. Yeah, I think it's time for me to fall in my own snow.
Look,
I'm gonna fall in Nollywood fashion.
Hey!
I'm falling though.
Hey!
I'm falling though. I'm fainting.
I made this fall. Ella, what kind of fall is this? These are people that don't have Uggs. This is how they fall. I see they are doing workouts.
I'm falling though.
Oh
I'm
yeah.
falling though.
Hey!
I have fallen.
Is she falling?
I'm falling though.
Is she falling?
This thing is cold though.
It's cold though.
It's cold
For the
from
goods.
here down, but I'm not cold from here
From
up.
the hips down.
But my legs are cold here. It's freezing here.
Hey, what are you wearing on the top?
Oh,
It's a Goose.
Canada Goose.
Canada
Goose.
Goose again.
Yeah, the Antarctic program. I mean the Arctic program. You know what I mean? Yeah, you know what I mean? Expensive bougie, man. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Lifetime warranty. You know, pack snow.
Haters will say, don't come to Canada in the winter.
Oh.
Tell those haters that they don't have Uggs. Tell those haters that
They don't have Goose.
It's not a joking
Snow
story.
is like a salt.
Hey, it's like a salt.
But never use it to cook.
It's a syrup. It's condensed syrup. You know what I'm saying? Let me do like yo-yo.
Hey.
Let me do like yo-yo.
Oh yeah.
Let me do like yo-yo. You can also exercise.
Jack in the box. You can also exercise. Jack in the box. You can do your squats.
Oh yes.
All in the
Our
clothes.
lunges.
All in the
Our
clothes.
lunges.
But my hands are freezing now.
Oh.
Maybe we need to get
A goose glow.
a good glow.
Mm.
You know
Or
what
if
I
we
mean?
don't have goose glow, tell them what we do.
We just bring it out like this.
Yeah.
You know, the goose is prepared for you everywhere. Now you cannot see my hands.
Yeah.
I put it in my pocket
Yeah.
and move.
And you move.
And move.
And this
When it's
can
really
also
windy,
serve as a raincoat.
yeah, when it's really windy. Yeah, we'll show you a video of us in the rain as well. When it's really windy, we wear our shawl and cover our mouth.
Yes.
It is what it is. I'll catch you later.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
It is what it is. Oh, evidence of play. Evidence of play. Whose powerful hands are these?
And it's very deep.
Hands of common sense yo-yo, deep in the eyes of time.
Look at the footprints of Uggs.
Footprint of Uggs.
Ugg footprints.
And please,
Shoe.
I'm a
Hey!
this is regular shoe. This is Uggs. Uggs. This was nice.
Yo, Goose gang. No,
See my knees?
This is Goose gang.
Goose again, goose again, goose again.
Hey,
All we have is goose again. Hey, goose again, goose again, goose again. Hey, all we have is
Goose again.
and Uggs. Ugg again, Ugg again, Ugg again.
Hey,
All she has is Ugg again.
hey,
Ugg again, Ugg again, Ugg again.
hey.
All she has is Ugg again.
Snow no go bleach my leather shoe.
Never,
Snow no go bleach my leather
never,
shoe. If
never.
you bleach my leather shoe, I go keep the wearer.
Jeez.
Snow no go bleach my
Leather shoe, hey, snow no go bleach that leather shoe.
Hey,
Snow no go bleach that leather shoe.
Hey.
If you bleach the shoe,
we go wear them again.
snow no go bleach that leather shoe.
Hey,
Snow no go bleach that leather shoe.
Hey,
Snow no go bleach that leather shoe. If you bleach us, she go wear them again. Snow no go bleach that leather shoe. The next video you will see is of us inside the real snow, or maybe inside the rain.
Somebody think that we pour ice block here. We push people.
We came to our rooftop to pour ice block. Abi, no, we didn't.
We go play for this.
Eh,
Falling snow.
we'll wait for the snow to fall because the snow in Toronto is doing like this. So we're waiting for it to fall. When it fall, then we'll record ourselves and show you. Before we
Okay.
give you the authentic review. All right. Cassia, Lera. I mean, we'll show the goose now. I'm not going to. Cassia,
You said they cannot. Let's move.
Cassia, Lera.
So it's all raining and wet.
So it's all raining and wet. It's the end of the day. It's raining the whole day, and we're going out in our favorite Goose, our winter jacket wear. You know what I'm saying? It doesn't only protect us from snow, it protects us in the rain as well. Fully clothed and we're warm. So my color of jacket is green, almost like army green, and Yo-Yo's is, guess what? You see her now.
Look at that hair. The goose protects the hair.
It still protects it. So
Yeah.
Black, fully proof raincoat.
black has never been.
Full rain. Oh, yeah, black on it.
Yeah, it's really raining so heavy right now.
You can't even feel the rain at all. You are fully clothed and warm.
Yeah, this and some clothes that you're wearing clothes, even if you don't have clothes.
Yeah.
Definitely. And your pocket literally on every side of the jacket.
Yeah.
Pockets everywhere. Very deep. Oh, yes. Can you see? Even stylishly. The style of the goose, man. We are what? We're goose babes. We're goose babes. We goose up. Yee.
See what the printer does. Freezes your pipe. Okay, so we're walking.
Might not capture the snow because it's not that
It's
much.
kind of,
But I
yeah.
have a snowstorm video to share, so I'll share that one.
You share that one. But we're actually walking in the snow, guys.
Yeah.
Okay. How wet my jacket is.
Yeah.
So it's rain waterproof as well.
Yeah.
Protects me all through.
All through, man. Got you all covered and dry. Got you all covered and dry. All covered and dry.
ready.
Eh.
All season winter jacket.
Yes.
Get your copy. I will get your jacket.
Now. Oh my god. Hey y'all, I hope y'all had a great time. Yeah, this is awesome. The snow. Look at the background. Ella, where's your face? Look at the background. We're having a good time. Yay! This one. I don't know where you are. Ella, where you going to? Yay! You see, when you have the right winter gear on, then you can enjoy the snow. You can play in the snow and have a good time, spend time with neighbors. Yeah. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share the video. Until we'll see you next time. Common sense never depart from you. Bye.